Welcome to Small Talk Daily for Monday, December 8, 2008. This morning I thought I'd go through a small feature that is going to be integrated into the next release of VisualWorks 7.7, but isn't there yet other than in preview form. Something fairly simple, and I'll show you directly by opening up this little user interface I created, editor, and I've opened it on a file. You notice that I've got a vertical scroll bar here, but it's inactive. If I hit return often enough, eventually I get the scroll bar. Now, it's not terribly exciting, but I've got a scroll bar that's inactive. And if I open up on a file that's a little larger, I get the scroll bar all the time. Now, what if you wanted the scroll bar to not be there at all unless you actually asked for it? Well, to get that, what we need to do is open the Parcel Manager. And once the Parcel Manager comes up, we want to change to the Directory View, scroll down. Down here you'll find Preview. Select Sparing Scrollbars, which is, I don't know if that's a great name, but it explains pretty well what it does. What it gives you is scrollbars that only appear when they're needed. So let's go ahead and load that in. And now what we need to do is open this user interface back up for editing, because they don't come in on all user interfaces. It's an option. So let's go ahead and find our user interface, Editor UI, and we'll go ahead and edit that. Now, the main thing to bring in here is select Editor here and go to Details. Notice there's now a new option, Use Sparingly. So we'll select that, hit Apply, and now we'll install this. And once we've got that installed, watch what happens when I go ahead and open this back up on the small file. Now there's no scroll bar there at all, and if I hit Return, eventually it just pops up. So if you want to have this situation where the scroll bar either is there or is not, depending on whether it's needed, you need to do this presently. When we get to the next release, this will just be built in. You won't need to load anything from preview. But it's nice to have that capability right now, even though it takes a little bit of extra work to bring it in. So that's about wraps it up for today. Until next time, have fun with small talk.